Hey trainers, welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'll show you how to get XL Candy in Pokemon Go. XL Candy is super useful for powering up Pokemons beyond level 40. So make sure you stick to the end of the video to know exactly how to get XL Candies in Pokemon Go, and let's get started with the video. First, you will have to catch Pokemon. Every time you catch a Pokemon above level 40, you have a chance to get XL Candy. The higher the level of the Pokemon, the better the chances of getting XL Candy. So roam around your area to find the higher level of Pokemons and try catching them. Another method is transferring Pokemon. You can transfer extra Pokemon to Professor Willow. Some of them will give you XL Candy for that Pokemon series. So choose your Pokemon and transfer them to Professor Willow to get a higher chance of getting XL Candies for free. Another method is walking with Pokemon as a buddy. Set the Pokemon you want XL Candy for as a buddy. Simply here choose buddy, and with that walk a certain distance to earn XL Candy gradually. It may take 1 kilometer or 2 kilometer to get a single XL Candy, so make sure you do that cardio. Raids and research tasks is the another method of getting XL Candies. Some legendary raids and special research tasks rewards XL Candy as a part of the reward. Focus on your strongest Pokemon or Pokemon you want to power up for player versus player and battles to collect XL Candy effectively. And that's it guys, that's how you can get XL Candy in Pokemon Go. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe and comment which Pokemon you are powering up with XL Candy. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.